Bore da, I've come down to the beach in Bwthyn-Bennar today. 2 bedrooms this one, sleeps 4.
Honeysuckle, fresh cut grass. I could really use some stuff like that.
So nice easy layout. We've got 1 double bedroom, 1 twin bedroom, nice bathroom as well with a big shower, a sort of galley style type kitchen, and then a living area at the other end of the house. Fantastic location here. These are some of the first properties we took on actually back whenever we started the company, but those original owners have retired and a lovely new couple have taken over now. So great spot. We're what, 200 metres from a beautiful sandy beach, and then if you jump in the car you might go to Harlech, enjoying the castle there perhaps, or then if you head south you can get to Barmouth in no time as well. Let's go look. Bye.
Memory, washed in every shade of green and all the colors. Summer love. Remember the lazy river day canoe, bathing in the turquoise blue, losing track of time with you. Another beach pie sunset view, sleeping in the afternoon. No place to be and nothing to prove. That's sure something I could use. A cure for the air-conditioned